So, Fairground Apartments. Nice with the hanging baskets. Okay, the fairground's actually on my left hand side. Hi, so welcome. And we're just going to show you around Butlins Skegness. So first the accommodation. This is premium accommodation. It's called Fairground. So flip the camera around. So we're up one floor. This is apartment 235 on Fairground Apartments. So we've got a little staircase up, and here we go. Before we bring all our stuff in, I'll take you through into here, and this is the living area. It's a nice balcony in the summer, open up. Nice flat screen telly on the wall with all inputs and plug sockets. Nice comfy looking couch. And boys, they don't come with the apartment, you have to pay for them extra. And then we've got the obligatory comedy mirror for the fairground. Some nice pictures of the fairground from Butlins. Butlins Filey. No, that's where I used to work. And they've got a nice little seating area. And again, fairground themes. So a small but adequate kitchen overlooking the car park. So we've parked right outside effectively. Microwave, toaster. Oh, not been cleaned out, the toaster, it's full of crumbs. Check out the oven. A few bits in there as well. Let's have a look at the bathroom and the bedrooms. So, place to hang your coats up. It's electric heating in here. So, twin bedroom, boys' bedroom. You can come in if you want, boys. Two single beds, one a little bit higher than the other. Electric heating. Drawers. There we go. Heated towel rail. Shower room. Kind of as you would expect. Starlights. Shower. Heated rail. Toilet. Ironing board and an iron, and double bedroom. Again, drawers at the side, plenty of plug sockets, flat screen TV, and a dressing table and chair. Big hallway mirror, and I guess smoke detectors and fire alarms and all that stuff. So this is a fairground apartment at Butlins Skegness. It's quite afternoon for a change.